April is Confederate Heritage Month. To remind neo-Confederates and Lost Cause ass clowns what their heritage is, this page is executing a daily series throughout this entire month, commemorating anniversary events and honoring Southerners who remained loyal to the United States. If you're just coming across this post, make sure to follow the page, as we'll be upsetting neo-Confederates and Lost Cause bigots all month long. On Day 17 of Union Victory Month, we honor Colonel Edmund Jackson Davis, a Southerner who rejected secession and remained loyal to the United States. His first Texas Cavalry of loyal Texan Americans helped defeat traitor Confederates at the Battle of Brownsville, Texas, from November 2nd to the 6th of 1863. Fun fact, Davis served as governor of Texas from 1870 to 1874. Davis's government was marked by a commitment to the civil rights of African Americans. Under Davis, the Texas State Police came into being to combat crime statewide in Texas. It worked against racially based crimes and included black police officers, which caused protests from former slave owners and future segregationists who were conservative. Bonus fun fact, Texas Governor and famous Texan Sam Houston was against secession and was supported by Davis. Davis also urged Colonel Robert E. Lee not to violate his oath of allegiance to the United States. That worked out well. Davis ran to become a delegate to the Secession Convention, but was defeated. He thereafter refused to take an oath of allegiance to the Confederate States of America. He was then removed from his judgeship, at which time he left Texas to sign up with the Union Army. He recruited a powerful body of cavalry formed from pro-Union Texan expats, and this unit saw heavy action during the war. Reminder that the Confederacy were traitors who betrayed the United States and tried to destroy the Union out of spite. A reminder that heritage, not hate, is lost cause horseshit. A reminder that the lost cause narrative is revisionist history bullshit. A reminder that the South seceded over slavery and economic factors tied to slavery. Also a reminder, the Confederacy was a bunch of traitors who lost, got their asses kicked, and begged to be readmitted back into the Union. P.S. Your flag is a participation trophy. Die mad about it. Hashtag not sorry, not sorry.